Brand new from Zero Motorcycles, we're excited to share this lightweight off-road vehicle, the Zero XB. An exciting new offering that is available as an off-road only vehicle in North America, but also available as a street legal version throughout all of Europe. The Zero XB is a part of our new X-Line product, featuring its larger sibling, the XE. It's all about e-moto, coming from the brand that has led electrification of motorcycles for 2 decades. The XB goes beyond just an incredible value proposition. It's lightweight at only 139 pounds, offers swappable battery tech, includes features like ride modes that our customers have come to love across the rest of our model line, and also has an incredibly intuitive operating system. The XB has a 2.4 kilowatt hour power pack. Now, everyone always wants to know, what kind of range am I going to get when I'm looking at an EV motorcycle? And of course, it's going to depend on how you ride it. You whiskey throttle the thing all the time and ride it like you stole it, you're going to get less range. But if you're going to cruise around at around 30 mile an hour average when you're riding around the trails, you're going to see a 40 mile range on the XB. So the XB's KKE suspension is fully adjustable, has over 7.5 inches of travel in the front and 6.9 inches in the rear. Nice. It also features 19-inch wheels front and rear with 7119 series tires. It is a hydraulic brake system both on the front and the rear of the bike. And instead of having a rear brake pedal, the XB does have a rear brake lever on the left-hand side of the handlebar. Our motor on the XB has an internal gear reduction that allows us to produce 275 pound-feet of torque to the rear wheel and produces a top speed of 50 miles an hour. We mentioned previously that the XB features a swappable battery. That battery can be swapped out of the bike and a new one placed in under a minute. It's a 2.4 kilowatt hour pack, and the bike is going to come with a standard 800 watt charger that you can use at home or when you're out riding. And it's going to charge your bike up to 95% in about 2.5 hours. Now, we are also offering some accessory chargers. An additional 1200 watt charger is going to be available, as well as for those of you that have access to a 220 to 240 volt plug, a 1500 watt charger. That's going to drop that time to 1 hour and 45 minutes. In addition to the higher output accessory chargers, we're also going to have a whole host of accessories available with the new X-Line bikes, including upgraded suspension, brake levers, foot pegs, luggage, and more. We're really excited to bring all those products to you alongside this fantastic new motorcycle. We also previously mentioned the intuitive rider interface. Now, this bike features a mode button on the right-hand handlebar switch below the kill switch that's easy to use. You can use it at a stop or while you're rolling, as long as you're not on throttle. That will allow you to switch between the 3 standard ride modes on the vehicle. That's going to be Eco, Standard, and Sport, similar to what you found in the past on our FX and FXE models. On the menu of the dash, you also have the ability to turn off the traction control. We recommend turning off the traction control for any off-road riding. Diving deeper into the menu on the dash, you're going to find features like regen, power output, the brightness of your screen, and other adjustments that can be made, including simple things like setting the clock or changing from miles to kilometers on your screen output. In addition to all those really cool dash features and ride modes, the XB also actually features a reverse. When you're on the bike with the kill switch on and the side stand up, you can select the little reverse button just below the high-low beam switch on the left-hand handlebar and then apply throttle to move the bike backwards. Really great if you're in a tight spot in the woods. Also really great if you're just having a hard time after a long ride getting your bike loaded back up into your truck. The XB has an incredibly compact chassis. We mentioned it's only 139 pounds. Yes, you can literally pick it up and carry it. On top of that, we're talking about a 32.7-inch seat height. That means all of us that are also inseam challenged can still swing a leg over this and have a great time. But with the combination of the low seat height, the low weight, and the compact frame, this is incredibly approachable for young, new riders, as well as more experienced veterans. In North America, the XB features a 6-month vehicle warranty and a 1-year power pack warranty. That means that everything contained within that swappable power pack will be covered for a full year. And that warranty includes parts and labor. We understand as we enter this e-moto category that there are other players out there. So why choose a Zero? With over 20 years of experience designing, engineering, and building electric motorcycles, we've been able to incorporate all of our learnings into the new Zero XB. You see that in many of the design features and the rider interface. Beyond that, we also happen to offer the most expansive dealer sales and service network to make sure that you get all of the support you need in terms of making your purchase, getting your bike serviced, and getting access to parts and accessories that you want for your motorcycle. As we continue to prep ourselves for the official first deliveries of these vehicles to dealers this summer, we've been doing a ton of additional testing at events including the Biltwell 100, the Virginia City Grand Prix, and many more to come. We're excited to see you out there as we race and continue to develop these products, and hopefully you'll get a chance to swing a leg over one as well. All of that said, the Zero XB is a fantastic, exciting, new, affordable vehicle entering the Zero Motorcycles lineup and coming to dealers summer of 2025.